Hello class, this is Robert Smith coming at you from MD F1 term 13 10, and this is my project 1 reflection video. This week we were tasked to create a UI table view that holds 20 items. The items could be whatever we wanted them to be, and when you selected an item it had to push a second view that displayed more information about the item. And what I chose was a list of 20 of my favorite movies. And basically, how I have the project set up, instead of using nib files, I've been preparing for the updating to Xcode 5 and stuck with storyboards. And I basically started off deleting the view controller that gets created when you create a single view application, and I created the one scene, and I embedded, or I put a table view controller, and then I embedded that into a navigation controller, and then I have two regular view controllers that that handle the detail information of the selected cell. And basically it's going to display the movie poster, and then when you click the show info button it's going to modally display some information. So it's not pushing a whole new view. It's called a modal segue, and you can customize that by just clicking the segue. And there's all kinds of different cool ways to customize it. My favorite is the partial curl, but I had to use the cross dissolve because the partial curl only displays about half of the page, and some of the synopsis of the movies are pretty long, and you need basically the entire screen real estate to display as much of the synopsis as you can. But so I have my movie class. It has three properties. It has a name, the file name, which is the picture, and the info, which is the synopsis. And all I have to do is synthesize these and the implementation of that. And then I have the table view controller. The reason that I like using the storyboards and starting off with the table view controller, the actual UI table view controller, is because it comes with most of the required protocols already embedded into. You don't have to write all this required code, and even the optional stuff is just commented out, and all you have to do is uncomment it and customize it for your objects or your classes, and it makes it a lot easier, and it saves a lot of time, in my opinion. But let's go ahead and look at the application. So this is what it. I have an app icon and a start screen, but this is the table view. If you click on an item, it's going to display the movie poster. You click on more info, and it does the cross dissolve into this synopsis of the movie, it's just straight from RottenTomatoes.com, and works with all of them. And the table view is you can edit it, so if you delete it and all the information shows up, and you can also edit by just swiping. It went pretty smooth. Really no complaints this week. I look forward to starting next week, and thanks for watching. Bye.